Hi guys, this is a quick demo on how to set up Kakao as a OAuth provider. So Kakao requires a business or identity verification, therefore we will not be able to log in, but we can review the process of the application creation. So first of all, let's add a name and the company and the category. Here is our application. Now we will need to enable the Kakao login. Activate. We will also enable OpenID Connect, and here we will register our callback URL. Now in the consent items you will see that email is still unauthorized, therefore we will not be able to log in. But once the business or personal information is confirmed and verified here, you will be able to use Kakao login in your application. That's it. Thank you.